Welcome to Sikho German. Lektion 2. Die Zahlen, the numbers. In this lesson, you will learn how to say the German numbers from 0 to 20 clearly and confidently. Follow along, repeat after me, and by the end, you will be able to count from 0 to 20 in German without looking at the screen. If you're new to Sikho German, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our upcoming lessons.
Numbers are used all the time in daily life for age, money, time, and dates, so this lesson is very important for your German basics. First, we will learn each number one by one, and then we will practice them together. So, let's start with 0. In German, null. Repeat after me. Null. The number 1 is eins. Repeat. Eins. The number 2 is zwei. Repeat. Zwei. The number 3 is drei. Repeat. Drei. The number 4 is vier. Repeat. Vier. The number 5 is fünf. Repeat. Fünf. The number 6 is sechs. Repeat. Sechs. The number 7 is sieben. Repeat. Sieben. The number 8 is acht. Repeat. Acht. The number 9 is neun. Repeat. Neun. The number 10 is zehn. Repeat. Zehn.
The number 11 is elf. Repeat, elf. The number 12 is zwölf. Repeat, zwölf. Now 13. In German, you build it from drei plus zehn. Dreizehn. Repeat, dreizehn. The number 14 is vierzehn, from vier plus zehn. Vierzehn. The number 15 is 15, from 5 plus 10. 15. The number 16 is 16. Here, sechs loses the final S and becomes sech. Repeat, 16. The number 17 is 17. Sieben is shortened to sieb. Repeat, 17. The number 18 is 18. Repeat, 18. The number 19 is 19. Repeat, 19. And the number 20 is 20. Repeat, 20. Now, let us read the numbers from 0 to 20 together. Repeat after me slowly. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You can pause the video here and repeat them a few times until you feel comfortable. Great job! You now know the German numbers from 0 to 20, and you are ready to use them in real conversations. Like and subscribe so you don't miss the next lesson. Share it with your friends if you enjoyed the lesson. Comment below what your lucky number is. Dankeschön! Thank you for watching this lesson on Die Zahlen. See you in the next video and keep practicing your German every day.